Oddly enough, I'm finding that usually any of these Eggbeater drills are bent. Now, I don't know why they're bent, but they are bent. And this one is bent right there at that beam. I don't want to keep twisting it back and forth too much. There we go, pretty close to straight as I'm going to get it. Taping up something like this that has a step in it, I came up with a cheat. I tear the tape. Now, striping tape, it comes in a variety of little narrow cross sections. But I don't happen to have any striping tape, so I make my own. By tearing off the edge of the tape, I can take that little tape and make it fit up into those spots there where it wants to get a wrinkle in it and doesn't want to lay flat. And really what I'm looking for is making sure that I get this edge square. So that little narrow bit of tape means that I can go in there and do that edge, and then this edge doesn't matter because I'm just going to wrap this. I'm just making a spot where the paint can't get to. So I go on around there, do that. Then I can take pretty much anything, and paper towel seems to work pretty good for me. It's inexpensive. I have it in the shop, and it works. My daily group of callers offering me car warranty protection, because once the warranty's gone, then your car immediately fails, which is only partly tongue-in-cheek, because the warranty is one of those sales gimmicks. Warranty sounds like a hell of a value. You get a warranty, and then that means if anything happens to your car covered by the warranty, you don't pay anything. Sounds like a great idea. Yeah, let's get that. But then, for the next 3 years, however long you get the warranty for, you have coverage. Anything covered by the warranty. Well, you got to really read the fine print closely. Oh, you mean there's a deductible? Yeah, we don't fix just a screw that falls out of the dashboard. There's a minimum charge, and quite often the minimum charge is pretty much what you'd pay anybody anyways. And you have to take it to a shop. You can't have the warranty done by Uncle Joe. So if Uncle Joe is a mechanic and could fix it for free, they're not going to pay Uncle Joe. So you've paid for something that you don't need, in the hope that you're going to save some money. How often does that work for you? If it wasn't a money-making deal, there wouldn't be so many people trying to do it for you. You know, just, hey, buy this product from me. Well, product, yeah, they call it a product because that's what it is. It's not a warranty. It's a sales item. All taped up and ready to go. I'm going to take it out in the garage and paint it so that I don't get paint fumes in the house. And then I have to wax the wooden handles after I get the paint dried on this. In the meantime, I'll wax all the little knobs and all the other stuff. Get that ready to go. And then, while the paint's drying on the black, I'm going to see if I can clean up this and get it taped up and ready to paint red. Too bad, because it's almost all there. It's just got really boogered up here. And if I'm going to paint that, I got to paint this, otherwise it's going to look funny. So, off to get this painted so it can dry, and then I can go on with the other stuff. Old number 47 is gone now. He's found a new home at Turtle Chapel Forge. My nephew, Matt Lynd, makes knives. Some really nice knives. And he was looking for one of the treadle grinders, and when he saw on my Facebook page that I was selling old 47, he picked it up. So, I'm glad that I got it going. I'm glad that Matt's going to be using it. And if you get a chance to look on Facebook at Turtle Chapel Forge, he's got some really good stuff. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.